So I want to show you there are literally thousands and thousands of small fish around here. Some of my bigger fish must have had eggs that hatched, and they're just thousands of small fish. Everywhere. They're just everywhere. Here on this, let's say 2-3 square meters, there may be 1,000 fish here. And also there are some other creatures. Here we have some snails, and some other bugs, not to mention the baby frogs. But my big trouts, I think they ate a lot of baby frogs. And here is the diffuser that I've made. I'm going to turn it on, and then I will explain how I've made it. This is the compressor that I'm using. Here, these are the specifications. I bought this compressor for around 160-170 euros. And the pump, the engine, is I guess a special order from HBM, but the same motor is sold with just a little bit of different specifications, like ZW280A. You can find this model. It's widely available at the internet. It's a professional type of motor that can run continuously. And now I'm going to plug it. Here I made this small Right now I'm using the 6-liter reservoir. This rope is connected to this float, and this diffuser will be put in the middle where this float is over there. It will replace it. And here is the diffuser. So I got this old aluminum rim, and I started and went all around. As I was going around, I was connecting. Actually, I started from here, and then I just left a bigger pipe here at the end, and then I got it connected to the room, and I went all around and here. So I connected everything. Everything is very secure, and I made 700 holes with the smallest syringe I found. It was a 2 milliliter syringe, and I used the needles from the syringe. They were 0.9 millimeters thick needles, and I've made 700 holes. That's about it. It's very simple design. Maybe it's a little bit overkill, but these are 9 meters of rubber pipe. It's 10 millimeter. It holds 10 bar pressure. That's it, very simple. So for the pipe, I paid how much, like 7-8 euros, and these are another 20 meters. There will not be enough, but so €1 per meter for this hose, and the rest is free. And this is like €1, and the hose is €9 altogether, €10 for this diffuser, and the rim is free. This aluminum rim, and also €1 for the rope per meter. So that's all. And here is my kayak. That's all.